So, I never done this video before, but right now, this one right here has a pretty nice flaw. Not this one, anyways. Um, so I have a few things that my phone it's not currently in use right now, but the phone is still working, as you can see right there. But there's a few things that my phone has now not been compromised. One is now my screen is also cracked and has a little tape on it. That's why I put my finger wherever I want. But the phone it still works. So the only difference is just the screen is cracked, but I can't do absolutely anything about it. But the whole phone still works just fine, no issues on nothing like that. But there's a few things that are wrong. It's my charging ports. It's broken. If I try to plug it in, it does not register any signal whatsoever. Every time I plug one of the lit up ones you can see in the background right there, one of the cable lights turns off, which is not supposed to do all that stuff. But and another thing is my battery is also not a very healthy condition as well. If I can find the image, but I will show you the comparison of this one. This is my other backup phone that I used to have, but as you can see, this one right here, as you can see, I already did it once. As you can see, the battery, it's like not in healthy condition. And it's on weak. It's a little hard to see, but it says weak. That means my phone does not last long at all. But I will give you, on a hippie note, here's the A10. I'm going to do a quick comparison. Right, make sure it's not a fake video or anything like that. So here's the A10 that I've been using for things like 2 years now. And here's the comparison. This is the A10 that I have over 2 years ago now. This I have almost 4 years ago. As you can see, as you can see, this one's in normal condition, no issues, nothing like that. The charging port's fine. It's just this one is a very budget phone. That's the only thing I hate, and the One UI is just not that great because it's 1.1. This is 2.0, but actually 2.5, whatever. But the battery on my S9 is really dying with me. It's not even lasting long at all, and I can't do anything about it. I have to keep charging the S9 almost twice a day, even though I could get a job and get money, but it's too much work. So if everyone has a S9, just the standard S9 model that is in color condition, only the standard S9 model. And if anyone has that, I can use that for parts and just take all my motherboard, transfer the other one. If anyone does, just put in the comments below, but hopefully I can get my phone fixed. But sorry if this video is a little bit out of ordinary, but I'm just going to end it here. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and peace out.